Buying a gift.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a gift for my boyfriend.
Okay, what does he like?
He likes cars and sports.
Does he like adrenaline?
A little.
We have skydiving vouchers.
Oh, wow, that sounds scary.
Many people love it.
Maybe, but I think it's too much for him.
Okay, no problem.
I want something exciting, but not too crazy.
I understand.
What else do you have?
We also have hot air balloon rides.
That sounds nice.
It is very romantic.
Maybe. What else?
We have driving experiences.
What do you mean?
He can drive a Ferrari on a racing track.
Really?
Yes, many people choose it as a gift.
Oh, he would love that.
Does he like fast cars?
Yes, he loves them.
Then this is a very good idea.
How long is the drive?
About 30 minutes.
That's good.
And there is an instructor in the car.
Okay, that's better.
It is very safe.
Good, because I don't want him to crash the Ferrari.
Don't worry, that never happens.
I hope so.
We also have cooking courses.
Really?
Yes, Italian food, sushi, desserts.
That's interesting, but I think he prefers cars.
Then the Ferrari experience is perfect.
Yes, I think so too.
Would you like to buy the voucher?
Yes, please.
Great choice.
I'm excited to give it to him.
I'm sure he will love it.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Returning a broken product. Excuse me,
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to return this product.
What is the problem?
It doesn't work.
What is it?
It's an electric kettle.
Okay. What is wrong with it?
The water doesn't get hot.
When did you buy it?
I bought it 3 days ago.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Did you try a different socket?
Yes, I did. It still doesn't work.
I understand.
I need a working one.
Would you like a new one or a refund?
I would like a new one.
No problem. We can replace it.
Thank you.
Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Here is a new kettle.
Thank you very much.
You can test it at home.
I will.
If there is a problem, come back.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Oversleeping for work. Oh no, I overslept.
What happened?
I didn't hear my alarm.
What time is it?
It's already 8:10.
Oh, you are late.
I won't make it to work on time.
Calm down.
I don't have time for anything.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please, with milk.
Okay, I will make it.
Thank you. I need to take a shower.
Go, I will prepare breakfast.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem.
I'm going to the bathroom now.
Okay, your coffee is ready.
Thank you.
I made toast for you.
That's great. Where is my bag?
It's on the chair.
I can't find my wallet.
Check your bag.
Oh, yes, it's here.
And your keys?
Oh, no. Where are my keys?
Look on the table.
Yes, I see them. Thank you.
No problem.
I need to run.
Wait, what about the bus?
I will miss it.
Don't worry.
What do you mean?
I can drive you.
Really?
Yes, I start work later today.
That's amazing.
Come on, let's go.
Thank you so much. You saved me.
It's okay. Let's go.
Asking about a billboard advertisement.
Hello, Bright Ads Company. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to ask about billboard advertisements.
Of course. What kind of advertisement do you want?
I have a small business and I want to advertise it.
Okay. Do you already have a location in mind?
Not really. I just want to know the prices first.
No problem. We have different options.
Okay.
A billboard in the city center is $2,000 for 1 month.
Wow, that's very expensive.
Yes, locations in the center are more expensive.
I understand.
Many people see the advertisement there every day.
Okay, that makes sense.
We also have cheaper billboards outside the center.
How much are those?
Around $900 for 1 month.
That is much better.
Yes, it depends on the location.
Do you have any smaller billboards?
Yes, we do.
And how much are they?
About $500 for 2 weeks.
Okay.
We also offer discounts for longer advertisements.
Really?
Yes, 3 months is cheaper than paying month by month.
That sounds interesting.
What kind of business do you have?
I have a beauty salon.
Oh, a billboard near the shopping center could work well for you.
Maybe, yes.
Would you like me to send you the prices and locations by email?
Yes, please.
Okay. What is your email address?
It's annabeauty@gmail.com.
Let me repeat it. annabeauty@gmail.com?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. I will send everything today.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
I need to think about it first.
Of course. Take your time.
I will contact you again if I decide.
Sounds good. Have a nice day.
You too. Looking for a size in a clothing store. Excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you?
I really like this dress.
It's very nice.
Do you have it in a medium?
Let me check.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, we don't have medium.
Oh, that's a pity.
We have a large.
Okay, can I try the large?
Yes, of course.
Where is the fitting room?
It's over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How is it?
It's too big.
I see.
It doesn't look good on me.
Yes, it is a bit loose.
Do you have something similar?
Yes, I think so.
Really?
Yes, we have a similar dress.
And do you have medium in that one?
Yes, we do. That's great. Here it is.
Oh, I like this one even more.
It's very popular.
Can I try it on?
Of course.
Thank you.
How is it?
It fits perfectly.
That's great.
I love it.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I will take it.
Perfect. Please come to the checkout.
Thank you very much.
Marketing advertisement. Hi, do you have a minute?
Yes, of course.
I need you to prepare a new advertisement.
Okay, what is it for?
It is for our new coffee machine.
Oh, the new model.
Yes, exactly.
Where will we use the advertisement?
On social media and on our website.
Do you want photos or a video?
Photos are enough for now.
How many photos?
Maybe 3 or 4.
Do you want people in the photos?
Yes, one person using the coffee machine.
Man or woman?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, what style do you prefer?
Simple and modern.
Bright colors?
Yes, but not too many.
Do you have specific colors?
White and light blue.
All right.
Also show the coffee cup.
With coffee inside?
Yes, fresh coffee.
That sounds good.
And maybe a kitchen in the background.
Modern kitchen.
Yes, please.
Do you need a slogan?
Yes, a short one.
I can prepare a few options.
Good idea.
When do you need everything?
By Friday afternoon.
That is a little soon, but I can do it.
Thank you.
Do you have the product description?
Yes, I will send it by email.
Perfect.
And the logo must be visible.
Top corner?
Yes, top right corner.
Okay.
Do you need help from the design team?
Maybe for editing the photos.
I will inform them.
Thank you.
I would like to see the first draft tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes, if possible.
I will try.
Great.
I will start now.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.